tourism does contribute to the carbon footprint globally in the range of about 5%. Out of those 5%, 2% are the responsibility of the hospitality industry. And the hotels have to start bearing their share and their responsibility in trying to mitigate those effects. And tourism as a major economic activity is to a great extent both responsible and at the same time has to be held accountable for its contribution to and its being affected by the climate change results. The other side of the story is also the economic part. Energy is becoming more scarce and it's becoming more valuable, and it will become more and more expensive. So both for environmental responsibility, ethical reasons, and for economic reasons, for being a more business sound enterprise, we need to be focusing on hotels and their energy efficiency.
Green Practices Guide, a focus on water conservation practices in hotels. The UAE's growing water footprint highlights the urgent need for the hotel industry to implement effective water-saving and management measures. According to the Hotelier's Guide to Going Green, the white paper, written by TFG Asset Management, Hotel Properties, can focus on water management across three main areas. Bathroom area. It is recommended that hoteliers use practices such as the reuse towels and linens, installing water pressure and flow control systems, providing continuous maintenance of bathrooms to safeguard against water leakages, and changing washers to prevent dripping taps. These practices can save up to 36,000 litres of water annually. Laundry area. Minimizing water usage in this area can be achieved by operating washing machines only with full loads, maintaining a holding tank that can be reused as wash water in the next wash, and installing water softener. Swimming pool area. The recommended practices for swimming pool area are water softener installation and pool cover usage that can reduce evaporation by up to 95%. Other green practices in hotels. Besides the named area, the Green Practices Guide focuses on general green practices that can help minimize water consumption in hotels, as well as improving hotel sustainability. As an example, using solar power will save the costs of gas if a solar energy water-based heating system is used instead of gas. Hotels are also encouraged to use a water recycling plant to obtain grey water and use it for such purposes as gardening. The full version of the Hotelier's Guide to Going Green by TFG Asset Management is available on TFG Asset Management Library and Hospitality Net. To learn more about asset management in Dubai, visit www.tfgassetmanagement.com.
Could I interest you in a drink?
Kranava is a premier drink for those who appreciate the finest things in life.
The unique ingredients used to make Kranava are the same that formed this glacier thousands of years ago, only after being naturally filtered through layers of lava over the centuries. Are they pure enough to meet the high standards that make Kranava the greatest drink in the world? And here's the best thing. Kranavatn is available everywhere in Iceland. For free. Drink responsibly and take the Kranavatn challenge.
I'm Sonia Marañon Sarosa. My husband and I, Edgar, own this resort. After that first hotel, the Village Hotel, we expanded and put up the Residence Inn 2 years ago. We made the other extension, the East Wing, which houses now 40 bedrooms. So we have a total of 90 plus bedrooms and 13 function rooms. So it started that we will plant vegetables so we could provide for the kitchen. And people love, and they would come here and see our lettuce is fresh because we would harvest early in the morning or late at night and then put it on table. From our lettuce alone, from farm to table, we save about 350,000 for that year. And so the waste, instead of just throwing it, we use it for our vermicomposting. That becomes the soil again for the lettuce. And in terms of greenhouse gas emission, we've saved around 65% compared to conventional procurement. Annually, we've saved around 400,000 pesos from producing our own compost material. Additionally, having produced almost 1,000 bins of food waste in the last year and a half, we've actually earned over 50,000 pesos by selling it. And rather than sending food waste to the landfills, by using it as compost and feed for local hog growers, we've saved the equivalent of 104,000 kilograms of carbon dioxide emissions. So I think that's a contribution to the environment. No? So we hope that all who have visited Nature's Village Resort, in one way or another, you have learned, you have experienced what sustainable tourism practices are, and we hope you will do it in your own whatever way so that we can make our beloved Philippines a better place to live in.